Canning whole plums is one of the easier ways to preserve whole plums. It actually just requires a couple of steps. For starters, I wash and stem all of my plums, and then I go through and just do a little prick on each one as I put them into my quart-sized jars. This is supposed to help make it so that the skins don't split. I'm not really sure that it works, honestly, but it's something my mother did, and so it's what I do too. For this one, I'll need 1/2 inch of headspace up at the top, so I try to make sure that I leave room for that. One of the reasons why I like this recipe so much is you don't have to take the pit out. I'm always a fan of that when it comes to small plums like these. Now I'll add 1/3 of a cup of sugar to each of my jars. This is like a medium syrup. If you wanted more of a heavy syrup, you would do 1/2 of a cup. If you wanted a light syrup, you would do 1/4 of a cup. I'll then add hot water up to the 1/2 inch headspace mark. I use a clean damp cloth to wipe off the rim of my jars so that if there's anything on the edge that it won't interfere with the seal. And then I place my lids and rings on until they're fingertip tight. These are superb canning lids today that I'm using. They have this super squishy blue seal, which I love because it does such a good job adhering to my jars and sealing them. It maintains a seal for up to 36 months, which is wonderful because that's about how long my canned goods are good for. I have a link as well as a discount code in my description below. Now I'll place these in my boiling water bath, submerged by 1 to 2 inches of water, and process them for 25 minutes. If I'm at sea level, I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'll process them for 30. Now that the timer's gone off, I'll take off the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I remove my jars from the canner and place them on a heat-resistant surface about 1 to 2 inches apart, just so that they can cool down quickly. I'll leave them there for 24 hours so that they can get a good seal. I can tell that they have a good seal if the center of the lid is depressed down. If it is, then I'll remove the ring, wash off the outside with hot soapy water, and store them in a cool, dry, dark location like my pantry and use it in the next 1 to 3 years. If I have any that didn't seal, I would place them in the refrigerator and use them right away. Now, I did want to caution you that because of the way that we did the syrup for these, where we just put the sugar on top and then the water, you need to leave at least 3 weeks for that sugar to fully disperse throughout the jar. Otherwise, when you go to eat it, it'll taste kind of like the plums on top have been canned in just water, and then the ones that are on the bottom that are sitting in more of that sugar would be like in an extra heavy syrup. So if you wait, then it disperses throughout, and it's fine.